Hey, this is Marco, and in this I'm going to show you how to check Please Donate on Roblox. But before I begin with this video, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is open up your Roblox app, and once you have opened it, you want to tap on the top right on the Roblox icon. As you can see here, you will see
icon at the top right to your please donate by.
Here you will see your balances, how much stuff costs.
Actually hop in your store donated to,
but you can see how many of the donations you got. So what you must do is open up Safari.
your Roblox or Robux here in your store. So you can always check that. You can, and we'll go to Roblox again. And
then you want to type in roblox.com. Wait for it to load up. Then you want to tap on continue in browser at the bottom. Then you just want to log in. So once you have came here, you want to click on the Roblox icon again and then go to my transactions. Once you have gotten to your transactions, you can choose summary to be this and past 30 days, years, 7 days, whatever. As you can see, I don't have any incoming or outgoing Robux, but this is how it's going to look like if you will have it. You can see you will have pending Robux here, and on the right side how much it's pending and how much it's going to arrive.